Hey y'all, today we're going to fix some red beans and rice and fried pork chops. Hope you enjoy it. The first thing we're going to do is dice up some smoked sausage, throw it in our pot, and we're going to brown that sausage up. Once our sausage is browned real good, we're going to go ahead and add our water. I don't really measure it, just enough water to cover the beans up real good. Make sure when you put that water in there, you scrape the bottom of that pot to get all that stick up. That ain't nothing but pure flavor. Now with your water coming up to temp, go ahead and add in your red beans. I didn't soak these, but I did wash them. Once you add your beans, the pack of beans that I bought comes with a seasoning packet, so I'm going to put that in there as well. Next thing I'm going to add is some leftover ham that we had put in the freezer from a few weeks ago. That'll add a great flavor to these beans. Throw you a little bit of salt in there while you add it. Let your beans boil for about 10 minutes or so, and then you're going to want to cut the heat down to low, let them simmer, or cover them up first and then let them simmer for around, like I said, about 3.5 to 4 hours. Alright, so while your beans are cooking, go ahead and add your shortening into your skillet. As you can tell, I kind of had a little trouble with that. But I'm using Crisco shortening, and that's what we're going to fry these pork chops in. Then we're going to take our pork chops and we're going to season them up with some seasoning salt and black pepper. Season them well on both sides. Next, we're going to throw them in our breader. Our breader is all-purpose flour, seasoning salt, and black pepper. The same thing we seasoned the pork chops with. The grease is up to temp. We're going to bread these pork chops really well, and put them in that grease, and go ahead and fry them up. Fry your pork chops for about 4 minutes or so on each side until they're golden brown like so. And then when you're done, take them out, set them on a paper towel to drain. And here we are with the finished product. We have our white rice ready to go. I'm going to put that up nice and kind of centered on the screen so y'all can see that. The first thing we're going to add is our red beans. Our red beans cooked with sausage, smoked sausage, and some ham. Man, I'm telling you, this is some good looking stuff right here. Alright, next we're going to add our seasoned green beans. We ain't bougie people around here. We just use the canned green beans, and these are the Glory brand, and they're good too. Now we're going to add our pork chop right onto the plate, right there, so it looks real nice. I'm telling you, oh, I wish y'all could smell how good this is. All right, to finish our plate, we're going to add a couple of flat biscuits in there like that right there. And then we're going to cap it all off with a glass of ice cold sweet tea. Man, I'm telling you, it don't get no better than this right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it, give us a like, give us a follow. We appreciate it.